How to unfollow who doesn't follow you on Instagram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Also, don't forget to check the description box as you'll find some great offers and amazing giveaways that you might be interested in. With that said, let's get started. Now, first of all, let me clarify that there are some apps and websites that claim that they can do this. However, I would not advise you to do that as they might be scams or harmful to your account because they ask uh, for personal informations such as your emails and passwords. So first step is to stay away from those apps and websites. Now, there's only one way to do so as of right now, and it's very actually easy and simple, so just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up your Instagram. And once you do that, navigate to your profile page. Now, once you are here, let's click on our following list. And these are the people that I follow. And I want to find out whether they follow me back or not. So what I can do is I can simply click on any one of them. Say, for example, this, not this page. Let me choose another one. Okay, this page right here. And once you are here, what you need to do is you need to click on their following list. As you can see, they are following 135%. I might be among these people or I might not be. So let me search for my name. Now, if you search for your account name and nothing comes up, it means that they don't follow you back. So what you need to do is you need to go back and unfollow them. Now let's do it again. Let's go see, for example, this person. Let's click on their following list. Let's search for our account. Nothing came up, meaning that I follow them, but they do not follow me. So let's unfollow them. And you need to keep doing this with all the account. It's that easy and simple, and it's only the only way to do so as of right now. You have to do it manually. So that was it for this video. That's how you can unfollow people who don't follow you back on Instagram. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.